Oil is the lifeblood of a diesel engine. Changing your oil regularly isn't always enough to protect your engine investment and keep your equipment running. To confirm oil quality and to make sure contaminants aren't harming your engine, we recommend having the oil sampled as directed in the operator's manual. For example, every 500 hours or 12 months, or more often if engine wear is indicated by a previous oil sample. Your John Deere dealer can sample your oil, or you can complete this process yourself using a John Deere fluid analysis kit and following these simple steps. First, be sure to wipe all caps and fittings to keep dirt out of your engine and your oil sample clean. Warm up the engine for about 10 minutes to suspend any contaminants that may have settled to the bottom of the engine oil pan. If you have inline sampling ports on your machine, leave the engine running and fill oil to the designated mark on the sample bottle. If you're using a hand pump method, place a section of oil sample tubing along the dipstick and mark the length with a piece of tape. Cut the end of the sample tubing at about a 45-degree angle to make a sharp point. Place the sample bottle and cap in a sealed plastic bag and attach the hand pump over the plastic film. Push the tubing into the sample bottle. Shut down the engine and take the oil sample right away. Place the tubing into the oil reservoir, only to the depth of the tape we marked earlier. Using the hand pump, fill the sample bottle to the designated mark. To avoid contamination of the sample, remove the pump and screw the cap onto the bottle while it's still inside the plastic bag. Be sure to discard used tubing. It's important to clean the hand pump after use and store it in a sealable plastic bag. Fill out the information form completely and send it with a sample to the designated regional lab for testing. You'll receive a complete report with any concerns highlighted. If your John Deere dealer took the sample, they'll review the results with you and make recommendations. Always follow service guidelines in your operator's manual and change oil filters regularly. We recommend using genuine John Deere filters. Using genuine John Deere oil such as Plus 52 oil and performing regular maintenance and sampling is the best way to extend service intervals and protect your engine.